So to find this, we know our B angle is 20.7. We know our side C is 25, and we know our side B is 24. We're going to use sine law for all this. Okay, so that's key. We're finding out this angle here, so angle C, because we actually know the side. We can't find out anything about A yet. It's just we don't know enough information. So we got to find out C, and then from C we can find out A. So we set up the ratio for C and B, and we're looking for sine C. We're going to cross multiply, so we're just going to swap these positions.
What you working on?
Like this. We end up with sine C equals 25 sine 20.7 over 24. Okay, so we do this multiplication. We end up with sine inverse of C, so we have to do that. So we go sine inverse of that, and we end up with to kind of figure out all this, you put in sine inverse, and you get, okay, you gotta look for this symbol, the inverse of sine, on the calculator. You end up with 21.6 degrees for angle C. So we can put that in there. 21.6 degrees. Okay. So, second part is find angle A using that a triangle is equal to 180 degrees. So what we can do is 180 minus 20.7 minus 21.6. That's going to give us 137.7 degrees. So we now know our angle for A. Last thing we're going to do is we're going to find side A. So we're going to set up the sine ratio, or sine law. We got A over sine A equals, I'm going to use B, because that's the original one given. Okay, so A equals, and I'm just going to check these values. So B is 24 over sine 20.7. And we know our sine A now is 137.7. Okay, so now we just kind of solve this sine law. We're going to cross multiply, or multiply both sides, whichever one you want. So you can do this. So 137.7 times left side, and then sine 137.7 times the right side. And that's going to divide each other and give you 1. So we get A equals all this multiplied through. It's going to give you 45 around 0.7. If we go back to your question right here, you can see 45.7 is going to be one of the answers. It's either C or D. They should both be correct. Any further questions, just let me know. But You gotta use the sine law twice in this case.